Hey y'all, it's Miss Chambers here today. Today we're going to talk about rounding numbers, and this is part 1 of a part 2 video that you're going to be watching today. So make sure you grab your notes, your notebook, have something to write with, and get in a quiet place where you can pause me when you need to. So today's objective is going to be rounding multi-digit numbers to the 1 million. Remember, in 4th grade, you have to be able to round and understand place value up to 1 million. Remember, 1 million is a 7-digit number. Today's essential question that you're going to be answering after you watch both part 1 and part 2 of the video is, why is rounding numbers correctly important, and where would I use this skill in the real world? What is real world? Life. Where do you use these things in life? So on your paper, you see where it says, what does round numbers mean? You're going to make sure you write your definition down of what rounding numbers means. So to round numbers is very simple. You need to remember whatever place value you have to round to. So if it's the tens place or the hundreds place, you're going to underline that digit in that place value. And then you're going to look to the number to the right of it, and you're going to decide, is it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? That means that number in that place value is going to go up 1. Okay, just 1. If it's not circled number and it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, that number is going to stay the same in the place value that it's underlined. So how do I round numbers? Step 1, you're going to identify which number is being rounded and you're underlining it. So if it says underline the number in the tens place, you underline the number in the tens place. If it says underline the number in the 10,000s place, you're going to underline the number in the 10,000s place. In step 2, whatever number it is, so if you underline the number in the 10,000s place, you're going to circle the number to the right of it, right next to it, its neighbor, to the right of it. So if it's 10,000s underlined, then you're going to look to the number in the thousands place. And you're going to look and see, is that number the magic number? Is it 5? If it is, that means that number that's underlined is going to go up by 1 number. If it's not 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, then that number that's underlined is going to stay the same, and everything after that is going to be zeros. So make sure you're going to watch part 2 of the video, as we're going to go more in depth in our notebook. And you're going to be writing your notes down, okay? So I'll see you later. We're not done yet. Toodles.